Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You already have Python and Jupyter. Now make the terminal available. First, confirm Jupyter version so you know if your installation supports terminals. Once done, verify Jupyter Lab or Notebook version. Notebook terminals require Notebook version 5 or later. Then start the server with Jupyter Lab or Jupyter Notebook in a shell. This launches the UI. Make sure your browser connects to the correct URL and port. Finally, in the UI, click New then Terminal, or open the terminal icon in Jupyter Lab. This gives you a shell. Once the terminal tab opens, select or expect the default shell for your OS. On Windows, you might get PowerShell or CMD, on Mac OS/Linux Bash or ZSH. Next, activate your virtual environment so Python and packages match the notebook kernel. Use conda activate envname or sourcevenv/bin/activate. Then you can install packages, run tests, start servers, or edit files with editors like Nano. Make sure to cd into the project directory so relative paths work. Remember, terminals are persistent for the server session. To finish, terminate running jobs and close the Terminal tab. Use Ctrl+C to stop foreground tasks and kill for stubborn processes. If you need to reconnect later, restart the Jupyter server to reset state. If the terminal doesn't appear or shows errors, inspect the server console for WebSocket or permission errors and confirm Notebook config allows terminals. Adjust C, Notebook app, allow origin or token settings if necessary. As a key tip, restart the server after config edits and clear browser cache. This often resolves connectivity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.